Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, welcome to Science Technical Hub. My name is Srividya and I'm here to explain my project on smart device for women safety using IoT. Watch the video until the end for full information regarding the project, and for more updates subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. The main agenda of our project is provided below. So first let us see the abstract. Women's safety has always been an issue even in these modern times with so much advancement in technology. Hence the main purpose of this project is providing security for women, and this device is composed of a GPS receiver, Arduino board and a GSM modem. When any woman is in danger and in need of self-defense, then she can press the switch which is allotted to her. Whenever she presses the switch, the entire system will be activated and the SMS will be sent. Coming to the introduction, here we propose a system in order to provide security precaution so that women never feel helpless while facing social challenges. At the times of critical situation, the woman can send message or make a call to the registered contacts. Existing system, it is an application based prototype and it is interfaced with the GPS, GSM and a spy camera. The user must register the emergency numbers. This is an Android app which provides all facilities, but it has a disadvantage. The disadvantage is that if the mobile phone of victim is thrown away by an opposing person, this method cannot be used efficiently. Hence, to overcome this problem, we proposed a system. The microcontroller is used in Arduino UNO, and it is interfaced with a push button, a GPS module, a GSM modem, a buzzer circuit and an emergency switch. In case of emergency, the trigger button is pressed, the system tracks the location information from the GPS. It prepares a text SMS containing the present location information and sends SMS through GSM modem to the police control room and relatives. This is the block diagram of the project, in which an Arduino UNO microcontroller is attached to a GPS module, a GSM SIM modem, a push button, a buzzer, an Arduino IDE, power supply and a switch. When we switch on, it starts functioning by giving the information of the location of victim to family members and police control room using the GSM modem and GPS module. The advantages: sophisticated security, monitors all hazards and threats, and it can prevent incidents. Mobile number can be changed at any time. Methodology: this is a system that is providing security for women. By pressing the switch, the entire system will be activated and immediately the signals are sent to Arduino board. It processes these signals and immediately the information is sent to the user. The GSM modem sends an SMS to the predefined mobile number with the location of the victim using GPS and GSM. Whenever the panic button is pressed by the victim, the receiver receives the signals and buzzer sounds. The victim's place will be followed by GPS tracking to nearby family members and police stations. Coming to the implementation, the following are the components which are helpful for us: Arduino UNO, GSM module, GPS module, power supply, buzzer, push button and switch. Arduino UNO board equipped with sets of digital and analog pins that are interacted to other circuits. Power supply: the primary function of a power supply is to convert electric current from a source to the current voltage. GPS module. GPS module is a device that has capable of receiving information from GPS satellites and calculate device's geographical position. GSM module is a digital cellular communication. Whenever someone sends unsafe, GSM module sends message to chosen contacts and to the police control room. Buzzer. The main principle of the buzzer is the generation of pressure vibration, which is based on the application of electrical potential across the piezoelectric button. It is a simple switch mechanism for controlling some aspect of a process or machine. Switch: it is a simple on or off trigger. Coming to the components, we have already discussed about each of them briefly in the previous slides. Execution. The project clearly uses two main modules of GSM and a microcontroller. The user when sends messages through his phones, those reaches the GSM through the AT commands. All those messages reaches the microcontroller. Microcontroller takes the data in terms of bits. This is the output of our project. Discussion. Our effort behind this project is to design and fabricate a gadget which is so compact in itself that provide advantage of personal security system. It is low cost system. This provides human security. Being safe and secure is the demand of the day. Conclusion. The merit of this work is not only provide safety and is also provides security. The crime against the women can be now brought to an end with the help of real system implementation of the proposed model. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and comment the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel.